You're watching another edition of World's Most Wanted. The Brainy Squad, still knowingly giving children and young people an edge to succeed in English and maths. One of our own investigators has met a member and just sent this report.
After a tip-off, we've come to the airport in the hopes of catching up with one of the Brainy Squad. Oh goodness, that's him! Professor Growth, excuse me.
Can I help you?
I'm from World's Most Wanted. Can I ask you a few questions?
Not really. I'm in a bit of a hurry. My plane leaves soon.
Where are you headed?
To pastures new, distant horizons. Places I've not been before.
Are you running from something, sir?
Goodness, no. I'm running to something.
Oh, to what, sir?
New experiences, things I haven't seen before, new places, new foods, new languages, expanding my brain every day.
What's wrong with staying put, may I ask?
If you only do what you know because you know it, because it's easy, because you're afraid of getting it wrong, you'll learn nothing. Life is about learning, and learning is growing. I have to go. Are you going to keep me here?
No, I'm not the authorities. You're free to leave, Professor Growth.
So are you. Free to expand your mind, try new things, help your brain to expand. It's the only way to go.